Right in the center of Bucharest, on one of the city's most elegant and best connected streets, this newly renovated two-bedroom apartment gives you easy access to everything, while still feeling calm, private, and comfortably removed from the rush outside. Step inside and the feeling changes immediately. Clean lines, soft lighting, and a fresh, thoughtful finish set the tone from the moment you arrive. The living area is bright, open, and easy to settle into. There's space to relax, space to work, space to share a meal, and enough natural light to make the whole apartment feel airy from morning to evening. Nothing feels overdone here. The style is simple, modern, and warm. The kind of space that feels polished, but still genuinely comfortable to spend time in. Just off the living area, the kitchen is fully equipped for real stays, not just short visits. You have an oven, gas hob, dishwasher, full fridge freezer, washing machine, and all the essentials you'd want whether you're here for a few days or a few weeks. The main bedroom feels calm and well put together, with a double bed, soft lighting, air conditioning, a TV, and plenty of storage. It's bright during the day, restful at night, and designed to feel immediately comfortable. Just beyond it, the enclosed balcony adds a lovely extra corner of the home, perfect for coffee in the morning, a quiet pause between meetings, or simply a bit of daylight and green view in the middle of the city. The second bedroom brings the same sense of comfort, with another double bed, soft light, air conditioning, and a dedicated desk that makes longer stays especially easy. For two colleagues, two couples, or anyone who values separate rooms, it simply works. There's also a second bathroom, finished in the same clean, modern style, with marble-look surfaces, warm backlit mirrors, and a compact layout that feels both elegant and practical. And the main bathroom adds even more comfort, with a full bathtub and shower, sleek black fixtures, and a finish that feels fresh, bright, and carefully considered. 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, and a bright living space, all brought together in a location that makes city living feel easy. If you're looking for a calm, stylish base in central Bucharest, this is a place that feels good to come back to. Check the details below to see availability and plan your stay.